Guys, let's check the charts. Give me a second. Restart my MT5. Oh, no, it's visible. Okay. Prepare before some asset levels, like Asian close yesterday, Asian open yesterday, higher low, Asian low, actual is here, still respect this sideway high. Let's see. It will be nice. Sweep these 12 pips, 10 pips put there. What we'll see if reject and continue up here, this clear way, or here higher. We'll see how we'll move. And reconnecting. Okay, reconnected. Okay, we don't have a news. Checked. We have 1 minute before open. Set auto stop loss, auto take profits. Let's see closer what we have. So now possible sell here. 30 seconds. Possible break. High. Can be here. It was struggling, but we'll see. 1 to 3. Bearish candle and 2 bullish. Okay. Let's see. 2 seconds. Okay, open a new candle. Directly rejected the high. Okay. Down, rejected these, same. And now break up. It's a possible buy. Once, pull back. Let's wait if it's a fake breakout. Just candlestick or not. 1, 2. Okay, take a buy. Oh, but a pullback. Okay, let's see. Now entry, pushing. 1, 2 pips. Let's see if we have an out volume. At the side, you can hear struggle a little. It looks more push up. 3 pips. 5 pips. Or 5, 7. Pull back. 5, 7, 8. 10 out. Okay, first trade done. Let's see if it is candle or maybe next. Here was so nice, clear way. Same, struggling here, come to retest this price. Maybe something here. If break this zone after like a fill this week. What we will see based on volume. forwards will be nice. Come somewhere here. This candle. Last 2 minutes 40 seconds. And after make a new candle, make a wick down, retest these candles, and after continue up. So again, around 10 pips. Now on this candle, I don't wanna take a buy next because it's overwide. It's a third candle. Go up and pull it back immediately 8 pips. But it's a better volume like yesterday. What I like. Let's see, last 2 minutes. What I said. Hit the main resistance here close. Oh, go back. Here. Same. Resistance. And we are break the open price. Here's a cap. It's a very nice. Here, fill this gap. What can hit this one? Or when we break here, it's very nice. Fill the gap. 80 pips. What we will see. Last minute, trying to break up, but struggling because this candle made big down to retest support. 60 pips. And after from open pushed 50 pips. Now pull it back 12. It's a very nice volume. By the way. And hit them. Second light there break. M50 on 24722. I'm pulling from here. From here somewhere. Let's put on the next candle. Okay. Open without wick, starting pushing down. If make a wick down, after break up, the high of the same candle. Okay, wick down. If you can flip, it's a very nice opportunity for a buy. The price very close, a little higher. But like me more when make a bigger wick down and after start clearly push up. We will see. I'm gonna see clear wick down after pushing up. Just trying to break up, 1-2 pips break up after pulling back. This is why I wait. Pull it back 10 pips. Look this stroboscope volume. In 2024, I like this trade takes like open here, make a bigger wick up, and after start to push down and fill 50% of this candle. I don't still trade this style because isn't so work. 2026, even 2025 doesn't so work. So many times was a fake breakout, just a break up, started pushing down. It's a very nice 10 pips, but sometimes make 5 pips down and after rocket launch. Now it's a very nice Wick down done. It's interesting from here. I'll take a buy from this high. It's more realistic here. And here we have just 12 pips. It's more clearest will be when break up here, somewhere here till end of candle. After new candle make a wick down, after starting to push up. Take a look how much will be push if we take from here. That's 10 pips. If we take from here, just two 3 pips, and now pulling back 7, and we flip and break this level. It's a stop out for me. This way I don't take now second trade. 1/2 minute. 22. Almost. Let's get on the next candle. 22. Okay. Okay, last minute I don't trade because last minute is happening this. And someone, okay, now I take from here to fill this 10 pips. After, pull back 30, 50 pips. Hit a spread and 15 pips out of stop loss, you are out based on your spread. If you have a live account or you have some prep firm account. Okay, 30 seconds. How long we have this trade? 26, 36, 28 seconds. Not bad. 14 pips. It's based on how much you risk. I prefer here use 15 pip stop loss and 10 pips take profit. It's a lower like 1 but it's okay. It's okay because with my spread, what is now? Screenshot. 1 or 2 pips. 1 or 2 pips spread. It's not bad for broker. Broker account. There's a possibility to sell, but no make wick down. Here is the doji. A little bit up and start to push down. It's a nice volume, yes. You feel the candlestick. It's a weak feel, but not so confirmed. It's a 80% confirmation. It's easy can be happen here, just a break. You take here a trade, make a 5 pips, and after continue up. Because the doji signalize try to flip the trend, but it's a right doji. It can be like close this. You can make opposite, make a wick down, and after fake, and after start to push up and feel dizzy. It's a little, it's like a casino, and I don't want to trade 90% confirmation, and even 10 pips it's better when the market don't wanna so often give 15 pips without pullback. It's a better take at 10 pips. if you have a higher win rate with a lower RR, like 1 to 1, it's something like 1 to 0.66. I think this is then. Let's calculate that time. Yes, 1.066. But if you have a higher win rate with a lower percent of profit, it's consistent profit. But if you always try to force 15 pips and you have lower win rate, at the end you have lower overall profit, daily, weekly, monthly, quarter, yearly, etc. Sometimes you need to be less greedy. Last 1 minute 40 seconds. Now retesting this hour last SR. By the way, yes, you can be hold this longer, like 35 pips, but doesn't so look good to hold. I know some people just using take profit manually. Okay, if it's okay for you, it's okay. But sometimes happen hit 10 pips and after intermittent pullback, or 15 pips pullback, or you hold 35 pips and you say it will be 50. You don't check it's reach almost 50. That we create a nice bullish momentum. This nice. I love the best area here. Sure for it. Right. Bam, 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 bam. Here candlestick. Second, third. Okay. Here, big field this will be nice for open. Now, it's less probably to take maybe from here to here, 20 pips. It's nice because we leave this zone. Okay, you can lock. Okay, wick up. Oh, I don't see this nice wick up. It's okay. Alright, check. Yeah, we are far from here. In person, next opportunity here. Oh, it's not so far. It's around 40 pips and decreasing the volume. You can hunt every opportunity, but it will be profitable long term. Maybe check here the behavior. Okay. I need be here a little resistance to pull back and after come down. Here feel like this week feel very nice, but without trying to flip. Now feel it. Now trying to go back. it's not good with the next candle. It will be fourth red candle. Almost 2.5 minutes. It's more risky after 30 pips. Take care sell because you go through this. This is why I prefer just here down here, because if this candlestick don't reject, here don't reject, it's okay. Take this clear way before I think. And you see here, very nice support. Still pushing very nice volume, but with a big pullbacks. This is why when pushing 38 pips after making 50 pips pullback, 50% pulling back. And when you enter here, don't close 10 pips. Pull it back somewhere here. 25 pips. You have 10 pips in a profit. You don't close, and we count your stop loss 50 pips. If you don't use any stop loss, in this scalping you don't have time set stop loss like in an intraday. After when you enter, have there. This you can use just on MP5 desktop version. Which time we have? 20 seconds. Still so away from this price. Between these, it's gonna be so struggling. Can make a big down and after start to push up and break this full sideways. We are away from. If we break this too, it's okay. Pushing down without wick. It's first candle. But if don't break this price, so probably flip up and retest this price. Or up to here. Based on these candlesticks. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This makes same structure up like here before open and first candle. Just now on the sell because it's a full rejected EMA 50. And now this wave, this low towards Frankfurt. It's almost closing the Frankfurt. Okay. They're pushing down, pull it back, and start to make a sideway. Retest again. This sideway, this high, this candle. It'll break up after pull it back. Again down. Retested. Make a higher low and fill it and both sideways, same high or higher high, lower low, almost same high, lower low, You look with the video, the candlestick doesn't so pushy. And now start of stacking on the place. Uh, can make a new lower low. Can make a new higher high. It's so probably now start sideways like this or like this. It's not volume for a tick scalping. That's for today, guys. You see, these days. I don't know now which day. Check the live or the recap. Learn from this. What I explain to understand how work the full system. To believe the system, because you can use signals, you can trade live with the people. It's okay, you don't need master this strategy if you don't wanna, but you need understand what I say, why I don't enter, and if you don't fully understand the strategy, don't try yourself. It's not because I don't wanna for your profit or something. If you hear somewhere, you enter and take a profit 10 pips, here they gain and gain 10 pips, 20 pips. Okay, not a fully confirmed. You make entries what have 80% confirmation, and you'll have a better win rate, even just 10 pips, not 50. Because if you have 70, 80, 90% with just with 10 pips, it's more like with 80% confirmation, you have 50, 60%. 50, 60%, it's a low profit. You calculate on 50, 60% from 1 to 1, or 70, 80, 90% from a lower error. It's easy calculation. Just take each 5 time 10 pips win, or 4 time 10 pips win, minus 1 time 50 pips, 15 pips loss. It's 40 minus 15, it's 25. Easy peasy. And if you have 50, 60% win rate on 15 pips, if you have 15%, you are break even. And if you have 16%, it's hard to calculate from 5 days. From 10 days, it's almost nothing. Just 10% over perform your losses. It's nothing. You will have 7 pips weekly, 7.5, and 15 by week. Opposite, you can make average 25 to more, or even weekly 15 pips. It's a better like 7.5. Okay. Now we are pushing. Doesn't make a doji. Try to flip. Doesn't come to flip. And now it's pushing liquidity from providers because of the week down. So many people want to try this. I say don't try this, because sometimes will be okay. You will win on this trade 10 times a row, after 20 times a row loss, because it's a tricky. Just a pure gambling when you believe it's a pushing down and continue. Sometimes happen, but you can replay again and again and again on candle like this. You can make years. I will right. Don't think. Anyway, let's to check if we have some news. If so, yeah. Coming hazy on big Germany manufacturing PME. This is why sweep the liquidity. What I said. Look, banks making same grabbing liquidity till here. After starting to pull back, or freezing, slowly closing, securing the profit. Look, how to resist this price, what I say. But it's not the move where we wanna go with the banks. Look, sweep liquidity here, what I said. When we break this price, it's all go down. Look, don't break this price. Touch the low of the SR what I show some second before, and after pull it back 80 pips. This how you can lose the money on this trade. You don't enter here. I'm not sure now. Still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. Enter here. Take a trade. You have 25 pips, almost 30 pips, 28 pips. After pulling back, here was all entry. Some second back. And you close or don't close. You close the entry because you don't want to lose the money and after pushing down. Why I close and second time you don't close because last time just to pull it back and push it down and after flipping. If it made me just a pure pushing down after reversing almost full candle and can flip with a can push again down with a good volume into here, break the last candlestick in a near past. Here, yes, okay, take here, try it. But you can't trade on 100 accounts this news mostly. The medium news. Okay, we get the numbers red. Germany manufacturing purchasing manager index. German manufacturing manager index means activity level of purchasing manager the manufacturing sector. Reading above 550 indicators, expansion in the sector, below contraction. Traders watch this survey close as purchasing, which is usually early access data. And look, we get a bad news, but break this level and intermediately make a week down and start to push up. And before after news, I say it's not safe, and mostly you haven't allowed. On a live account you can do, but not so good. Higher than expected reading should be takes positive bullish for air, while lower expected reading should be taken negative bearish for the air. It's not the air, but it's Germany index. It's a Germany economy. What have here? And look, pull it back pull it out the liquidity with a fake. And after bad news, it's need be to continue. Okay, open here, make a wick up, and after continue down and break this level. And what do markets? Pushing up. This is why when you just try based on the news, I see many CPI, PPI, jobless, NFP predictors who We're trying to predict the future. It's looking bullish. We have some previous numbers, and if we get a number, we go for a buy. So many times just a look fake up and after continue down, or fake down and after continue up. It's 50-50 percent gambling. Okay, guys, that's for today. See you next time. Don't know which day. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday. We'll see. If you follow me, you will see. Have a nice day. Bye bye.